have been scared to death.
No, it was like nothing happened. He was giggling and having fun.
Well, that's a horse of another color. Go, 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 go! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Hey, let's run outside!
Unless this boy is a baby Black Adam, I think something bigger may be going on.